So the next element is line break. So line break, control K and control C as a shortcut to put something as comment. So what is HTML line breaks? HTML line break element which defines a line break. You have to use BR element and then tab. It will complete everything automatically, and like this is again BR, a paragraph BR hyphen with line breaks. So you see, whenever I put BR, it break the line and it create a new line. Well, it put the word at the next line. So this is and then break, a paragraph break with line break. And you see, whenever we put BR, it create a new line and then put the next word at the next line. So this is the line break element. The shortcut for line break is BR, like a break.